3D puzzles, or are they model kits where they're flat sheets and they're press out parts that can make into some pretty impressive models? You can explore space, build world famous landmarks in a variety of scales, even the ways to travel to, and maybe the odd flight of fancy. There's certainly a great range to choose from, so we've taken 6 of these kits to build and review for you, and here they are. So hello and welcome to our series of videos where we actually assemble 3D puzzles, which are actually really kits, aren't they? Let's be honest. So what cathedral are we going to make today? We're going to make for you St Paul's Cathedral in London. Great stuff. Let's see what's in the box. Oh, what a surprise. It's another kit of parts. And an instruction booklet on how to build. You too can build your own St Paul's Cathedral. And a book on London, which is got some nice illustrations and pictures in, showing 1 or 2 of the models that you can get, like this St Paul's Cathedral. Not a lot of information. An instruction booklet for you too can build your very own St Paul's Cathedral. And of course we've got the standard kit of parts. Right. 12 sheets, so it's actually the same amount of sheets as there was on the night bus. There's actually 107 pieces if I remember rightly on this particular model. It's going to make quite a nice size model by the looks of it. Well, there's the dome, and that's the base. Plenty of sheets of cathedral. So let's get the tools out and let's start to assemble. But yeah, St Paul's Cathedral, all finished and done. Great. Over 100 parts and just under 2 hours to build makes into a lovely model of St Paul's Cathedral. Assembly was easy though. The instructions could be a tiny bit confusing. Thought it odd to put the floor and the roof on and then the walls in after, but it went together okay. The dome also went together lovely, as you can see on the speed build. Did like the picture book that came with the kit, though there's not much information about St Paul's in there, but it does show some of the models that you can also get in the same series. All in all, a nice kit to build and one I'd recommend. Well, that's all we've got time for this show. We hope you enjoyed it and hope you enjoy doing your modelling. So until next time, we'll see you then.